My dear friend, now I will show you the elite look of new kitchen chimney. You can see the inside of the machine totally different. See the look, and it has hand sensor. You can see hand sensor is functioning. Machine switched off, and touch panel also available. This is touch panel, hand sensor. Hand sensor is working, and inside of the machine is totally different. See the light inside. Now hand sensor again function. This is the working of hand sensor, and touch is also available. Touch panel, hand sensor off, hand sensor on, and we are offering very lucrative price. Kitchen Novo. Contact number 900 216 5991. We have very good quantity of material in hand. Please book your order very fast.